Can you imagine standing face to face with legends like George Washington, Benjamin Franklin, and Thomas Jefferson? Charles Willson Peale didn't have to imagine. He painted their portraits. Peale was a soldier, politician, and craftsman, but he's best known as a painter during the time of the American Revolution. Born in Queen Anne's County, Maryland in 1741, Peale came from humble beginnings. He began by crafting saddles, then ventured into watchmaking and silversmithing. But one of his true passions in life was painting. He spent 2 years in England improving his skills under the legendary painter Benjamin West. Returning to America, Peale settled in Annapolis, Maryland, but the winds of revolution were blowing. And in 1775, he moved to Philadelphia and teamed up with the Sons of Liberty, a secret group that wanted to sabotage British rule in the 13 colonies. During the American Revolution, Peale served in the Pennsylvania militia, held a seat in the Pennsylvania State Assembly, and painted the portrait of nearly every major figure of the Revolution, from George Washington to Thomas Jefferson. Then, when the colonists won their independence from Great Britain, Peale transformed his studio into a museum to educate people about the Revolutionary War and the people who aided in the fight. The popular museum eventually moved to a bigger space to showcase new inventions, wild animals, a complete mastodon skeleton, and work by Moses Williams. Williams had been enslaved by Peale before gaining his freedom and became a skilled silhouette artist. Peale's legacy extends to this day. His painting, Washington at Princeton, sold for a record-breaking $21.3 million in 2006. His works and museum offer us an invaluable window into events that shaped the United States. What can art like Charles Willson Peale's reveal about U.S. history?